Hey guys, the Hell's Redeemer has been found. It is the upgrade to the Hell's Retriever on Blood of the Dead. The first step is to obtain the Hell's Retriever. I've already made a video showing you guys how to do that, and I'll have that in the description. So the first thing you need to do is get some kills with the Hell's Retriever on the bridge that's in the recreation area. And this kind of matches the way that you upgrade the Redeemer on Mob of the Dead. You had to go to the bridge. Well, this is also a bridge, so it makes sense. There are other methods for getting kills on the bridge and being successful, but this method here works every time. If you stand in this spot on the bridge, there's a wall by on my left, and then get kills in this direction. You can see some blood on the ground right there, and you'll know that you're getting the appropriate kills because whenever you throw the tomahawk out, it's going to be glowing blue around the handle. If you throw the tomahawk and get kills and you don't see a blue light around it while it's killing, then it's not counting towards the kills that you need to upgrade it. Originally on Mob of the Dead, you only needed 15 kills to upgrade it, but it looks like for the Blood of the Dead Hell's Redeemer, you need 30 kills in this area. And there's two indicators that you got enough kills. One is that blue light that's glowing around it will go away, and the second is that you'll hear a howling noise. And I'll let you guys listen. Once you hear the howl noise, you'll know that you've done it. And the next step, you're gonna need the shield. And I've already made a video about how to get that. There are at least 8 or 9 locations where there's gonna be a dog head in blue glowing, and you're gonna have to locate it with the shield and looking through the window. Most of the locations seem to be on the bridge area, and we're pointing them out right here. The dog head actually showed up for me in this game, in this location right here. You can see what it looks like. It's right below that ledge and next to that body. There's another location that is closer to the jail entrance. And then if you don't see it here, you can head towards the Citadel area where the original Mob of the Dead Hell's Retriever was located. You just pull out the shield and you might see it against that wall right there. And there's another spot on the other side that it could also be located. There are 2 last locations that are known about. Near the warden's house, there's a lava pit. And you might see the face right here. And then there's another location between 2 windows on the outside of the warden's office. Once you locate the dog head, all you need to do is throw your tomahawk at it, and it will disappear, and your Hell's Retriever will disappear as well, and it will be replaced with whatever tactical you have. You might hear your character complain that the tomahawk was taken away from them and they're wondering where it is. The next step is to charge the shield. So you need to pull the shield out and then hold right trigger and kill 3 zombies, and you'll collect their souls, and then the key will be glowing with a blue electricity. The next step is to locate a ghost hound, and this seems to work only on the dog rounds, but that's not 100% confirmed. If you hold up the shield and put the key in, you can see the hellhound running around you. He's in a ghost form. If you don't put the key in and just hold out the shield, you can still see like his footprints. They're glowing on the ground. He seems to stay pretty close to wherever you are on the map. I walked over to the catwalk and I was able to see him here. So it looks like he can be pretty much anywhere on the map that you are. Once you do encounter him, you need to make sure that your shield is charged, and you need to put the key in and then pull right trigger to do an afterlife blast. I'll show you guys a still image of him. You can see that he's holding the Hell's Redeemer in his mouth. That's super cute. After this step, you can finally go pick it up. So you can go to the showers and take the fast travel to the warden's house, or the warden's house to the fast travel, and hold X or square over that little peak right there, and you'll be able to pick it up. I will warn you that people are noticing a problem with the game after using it. It can blue screen and crash your game, and it did happen to me. I was wanting to find out how many kills you can get with it upgraded and also a charge attack, but again, I blue screened before I could try to do that, and the regular Hell's Retriever will only do 5 kills. And if this Hell's Redeemer, the upgraded Retriever, is anything like it was in Mob of the Dead, it will be the most powerful wonder weapon that we may have in Black Ops 4. In Black Ops 2, the Hell's Redeemer on Mob of the Dead was the most powerful weapon because it didn't require any ammo, it recharged on its own, and there was no cap to what it could kill. I will definitely be doing some testing to see how well it does in high rounds on Black Ops 4, but I hope this helped you guys out, and we'll see you next video.
Thank you for watching Glitching Queen's video! Hoorah!